Recently, I got my hands on some fresh 3D printer filament that can glow in the dark, and I thought I can test it by using it to make a Lego minifigure. I landed on the classic spaceman since it's become quite an iconic and recognizable figure over the years, and one that has appeared on this channel often. So let's get to work. To start, we're gonna grab an existing 3D model of a Lego spaceman, paste it in Blender, and arrange the pieces in a way that the printer can print them out easily. Then, we're gonna have to make some minor changes to some parts in a different software. I hope these changes will make connecting the pieces when they're printed out much easier. And with everything done, we can start printing. Printing took a little more tries than expected because I had to experiment with how to adjust the printer to the new material, but in the end everything worked out. Okay, and the printing was successful, so now we're just going to have to take everything out and assemble the figure. And of course, he wouldn't be complete without his iconic emblem. And here we have the completed figure. I think it turned out good, and I'm super glad that all the parts can fit together. It's also fully articulate and moves exactly like a normal Lego figure. Also, it can connect to and hold other Lego pieces. And now we gotta answer the question we've had this whole time. Does he glow? And it looks like he does. I think we can call this project a success. Our figure glows, is compatible with other pieces, and can move like an actual figure. Well, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.